Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. So if you want to take a screenshot on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, then let me show you how to do this. So to take a screenshot, you need to go ahead and locate the volume down button and the standby button. To take a screenshot, go ahead and press both of them together. And once you do this, this will take a screenshot. And now here, you can go ahead and save the screenshot or put it in the bin. You can go ahead and use all of these features to make a mark on it. You can go ahead and write as well. Once you're happy, tap on the tick, and this will save that screenshot in your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. So there you go guys, that's how to take a screenshot on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.